the probability of A union B prime and the probability of A intersect B prime 0.15 and 0.4 respectively. We want to find the probability of B. So sometimes in this question we cannot see, we are unable to use any formulas that we know to find the probability of B. What can we do is we can try drawing a diagram. Okay, so probability of A, let's say suppose that A and B, so this is A and this is A, B. So A union B prime, how do we draw it? A union B whole thing prime. So it means we are looking at the complement of A union B prime, right? So actually this is what we're looking at. So shading from GH2 or second 2, you are very good at looking this for this, right? So this is A union B prime, right? So that's A union B prime. And A intersect B prime is equal to 0.4. A intersect B prime. So where is B prime? B prime meaning the whole outside B prime intersect with A. We're actually looking at this, right? This is A intersecting with B prime. So everything outside we don't really it's like, yeah, this is just A intersecting with B prime. A and B prime, right? So you can see that if I were to look at this, right, my 0.4 is actually here, right? My 0.15 is actually outside, right? So if you want to find a probability, how do you do that? It's actually nothing but just 1 minus 0.15 minus 0.4. Okay, because the whole probability is 1, right? So my answer, what's my probability of B is just equals to 1 minus 0.15 minus 0.4. So I subtract all the complement to get me my answer, which is just equals to 0.45. You can see the probability of B is just equal to 0.45. Okay. Now given that the probability of A is equal to 0.65, find the probability of A intersect B. Right, so from the diagram you can see it's very clear, right? The probability of A is the same as the probability of A intersect with B prime plus the probability of A intersect with B, right? So the probability of A intersecting B prime and the probability of A intersect B, right? This will just be, what will this be? Okay, so this is just a probability of A intersect B prime is just 0.4. Probability of A intersect B, okay, so probability of A intersect B will just be equals to the probability of A minus the probability of A intersect B prime, which is 0.65, subtracting 0.4 to give me 0.25, right? So last one, how do we find the probability of A prime given B? Right, the probability of A prime given B, the probability of A prime given B is just the probability of A prime intersect with B over the probability of B. And the probability of B, as we found earlier, is equals to 0.25. Right, the probability of A prime intersect B, A prime intersect B, right, this is the same as the probability of B minus the probability of A intersect B. A prime intersect with B. Actually, we're looking at this portion, right? So this is just the probability of B minus the way A intersect B, right? So we're looking at this portion, all right? With that, answer is 0.45 minus 0.25 over, so this is 0.45, 0.45, which is 4/9. Okay.